Step 4 of the escrow process is all about disclosures. There's going to be a few main categories of disclosures covered in lots of paperwork coming your way. First one we'll talk about is the lender's disclosures. I mentioned the LE in our first video, but the lender is going to provide you this loan estimate, which is a document that outlines the terms and conditions, including the rate and fees and closing costs of your loan. You need to sign this one before the appraisal can be ordered, so please don't waste any time on that one. There may be other lender disclosures included in this package as well, so just be sure to read them all carefully and reach out to your loan officer if you've got any questions about any of those. The next topic that we've got is escrow disclosures. Your escrow officer will send you a package of documents that need to be signed, and it's going to include a bunch of information, but the most important one is a statement of identification. It's basically a document that verifies your identity because you can guarantee there's going to be somebody else, if not tons of other people, with your exact same name. So it's highly important to fill this out carefully so that the escrow officer can make sure that you are the right one listed on the paperwork buying this property as we move forward. It's important that you fill out these documents carefully so that the escrow officer can correctly identify you as the buyer of this property. Finally, we've got seller's disclosures. Believe it or not, the seller is also obligated to disclose a package to you, and this is going to be information about the property itself. It's going to have all kinds of information, the good, the bad, the ugly, of what's going on with this home so that you can move forward with the purchase, eyes wide open, knowing everything there is to know about the home. So maybe it's about the age of the roof, maybe it's about the condition of the appliances, maybe it's about any known defects, or possibly a leak or issue of some sort that had to be repaired in the past. Whatever the case may be, they've got to document it, and they're not allowed by law to hide any material facts when it comes to this property. The majority of these disclosures are required by the state, and if you have any questions or comments about any of them, your transaction coordinator is going to be your best first point of contact. They're going to be able to answer any questions, make sure you understand the disclosures, and just be generally helpful. That's what they're here for. That's it. That's step 4 of the escrow process. Let's keep moving forward.